Have you ever wondered how to buy crypto coins? Well, you're not alone. The world of cryptocurrencies can seem intimidating and complex, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we'll walk through a step-by-step guide on how to buy these digital assets. Step 1. Understand what cryptocurrencies are and why you want to invest in them. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They're decentralized and typically operate on technology called blockchain. The reasons to invest in them are as varied as the people investing. Some see them as the currency of the future, while others view them as a hedge against traditional financial market instability. Step 2. Decide which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Bitcoin may be the most well-known, but there are over 2,000 different cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Each one has its own benefits, risks, and potential for growth. A little research can go a long way in making an informed decision. Step 3. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. This is where you'll be buying your cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Each exchange has its own set of fees, security features, and supported cryptocurrencies. So it's important to choose one that fits your needs. Step 4. Create an account on your chosen exchange. This typically involves providing some personal information, setting up a username and password, and possibly going through a verification process. Step 5. Deposit funds into your account. Most exchanges allow you to deposit funds using a bank account or a credit card. Keep in mind that there may be fees associated with depositing funds, and these can vary by exchange. Step 6. Buy your chosen cryptocurrency. After you've deposited funds, you can use those funds to buy cryptocurrency. Most exchanges have a simple interface that allows you to enter the amount you want to spend and then shows you how much of a particular cryptocurrency you can buy for that amount. Step 7. Secure your investment. After you've made your purchase, it's important to ensure that your investment is secure. This might involve setting up two-factor authentication, using a hardware wallet for storage, or regularly updating your account's security settings. In summary, buying crypto coins involves understanding what they are, deciding which one you want to buy, choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, creating an account, depositing funds, buying your chosen cryptocurrency, and securing your investment. The world of cryptocurrencies may seem complex, but with a little research and careful planning, anyone can become a part of it. Remember, as with any investment, it's important to understand what you're investing in and the associated risks. Happy investing!